So, dudes, we have your typical kitchen knife that is, well, let's see, not very dark, or not very dark, not very sharp. So we're gonna fix that. They put some tape on it, and I took it off, and it's got this gross stuff on it. But anyway, we're gonna use our 120 grit belt here. I'm trying to think. Was there something else I was gonna say to you guys? I don't think. Oh well, maybe after. Okay. Anyway, let's do it. For this one, we're gonna go to our 20 degrees. There we go. There's an adjuster here, and there's a thingy. Actually, I can show you maybe. This here is tells us what degrees it's at. Okay. So let's see. Well, that's already quite a bit better. I was just doing that until I started to see some kind of burr start to come up. So usually, I don't know. I try to be sparing with the 120 grit belt because it takes off a lot of material. But you know, sometimes you just gotta keep going. Actually, I'm just looking now. Let's see. That's not a safe way to wipe a knife. There's if you can see, let's see, there's a little nick there. So we will get rid of that. We're gonna have to do some more. So let's go back to the 120 grit belt. Okay, so that can be for a few reasons. So we'll do a few passes with that, see if we can get rid of the nick, and if we can't, we might change the angle. So if you can see, it's still there in fairly full force. So I'm gonna change the angle a bit. We're gonna go to 25 degrees, and we'll see if that gets it out. I think this knife is pretty cheap. So anyway. see what we got here now. We're just gonna give it a bit of a wipe. Let's see. Can we see? It did just ever so barely, but it's pretty much gone, so that's good. Okay, and since we changed the angle, we got quite a burr going on now too, which is good, bad, I don't know, it's okay. Okay, so back to our X65 belt. And we're gonna continue to improve the blades. And then to our next one, which is going to be our X22. Actually, I ordered some Trizac belts too here, so it'll be interesting to try out something. They were quite a bit cheaper, so it'll be interesting to try something different. I haven't tried any other different belts in this machine other than the official Work Sharp, maybe that way, Work Sharp belts. Okay. I can feel it. That's our X22 belt. That thing is getting pretty smooth. We don't, we're gonna have to change that one too. Actually, I think I'm gonna have to change most of these belts pretty quick. Anyway, X4. X4, and we're gonna do something different. I don't usually use this belt. I don't really know why. This is the 6000 grit belt. Whenever I watch the videos of Ken Onion doing the thing here, he never used it, so I just thought I probably don't need to use it either. So anyway, we will give this one a try. Okay, this is a very, like, it feels more like a fabric than everything too. Anyway, then we will use our leather strop, which is still hanging in there. And we're gonna lower the speed down one, and we're gonna put on our polishing compound, which is somewhere. And there it is, everybody. Let's add our magic snake oil. Okay, the moment you've all been waiting for. Is it sharp? No, it's not. Yeah, that's pretty good actually. Yeah. But here, let's go like really slow here. Yeah, okay. We do a quick one. Oh. That's dangerous. Uh-oh, it doesn't like that angle. But it gets too flimsy anyway. Here, can we just do the very tip? Look at that. Oh, that worked out pretty good. Actually, I'm sort of impressed with that 6,000 grit belt. I don't usually use that, but huh. I don't know. It doesn't feel super sharp either. It's well, it's not toothy, I should say. I can see there's like the very edge. There's quite the mirror polish. Well, there should always, I guess, be. But anyway, it looks shiny, more reflecty than usual. Anyway, I'll shut up. I'm gonna go to Subway. I'm gonna get a meatball sub. I'm done with doing that. Goodbye, everybody.